Men may forget what you said. They may forget what you did, but they will never forget how you made them feel. And if you really understood that sentence, you wouldn't be struggling with attraction right now. Ladies, let me tell you something straight. If you want a man to feel drawn to you, not just interested, not just entertained, but emotionally pulled toward you like gravity, it's not about looking perfect. It's not about posting the right selfies. It's not about acting hard to get like you're auditioning for a reality show. It's about 3 simple words, just 3. Words so powerful they flip something deep inside a man's brain. Words that make him see you differently. Words that make him think about you when you're not around. Words that make him want to come closer instead of pulling away. And no, it's not, I miss you. It's not, you're so hot. And it's definitely not, why did you text me back? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what those 3 words are, why they work, and how to say them without sounding fake, needy, or like you read this from the internet. And yes, it's going to change the way men respond to you. But before we get into that, hit that like button, subscribe to Brainy Fabs, and let's talk about something most women never realize. Why some women are magnetic without trying. Have you ever noticed this? 2 women can walk into the same room. One is stunning, perfect makeup, perfect outfit, looks like she fell out of Instagram. The other, she's attractive, sure, but nothing that should stop traffic. And yet, guess what happens? Men gravitate toward the second woman. They laugh more with her, they open up to her, they feel relaxed around her. They want to stay longer. Meanwhile, the perfect one is checking her phone, wondering why no one is really connecting with her. Why does that happen? Here's the truth most people don't like to hear. Attraction is emotional first, physical second. Men don't stay where they feel judged. They don't stay where they feel tested. They don't stay where they feel like they're constantly being evaluated. They stay where they feel good. Men spend their entire lives trying to prove something at work, in society, in relationships, even to themselves. Strong enough, smart enough, successful enough, man enough. And yet, most of the time, what they hear isn't appreciation. They hear pressure. They hear expectations. They hear criticism dressed up as help. So when a man meets a woman who makes him feel calm, respected, and emotionally safe, his brain goes, oh, this feels different. And different is dangerous. Different is memorable. Different is attractive. The emotional mistake most women make without realizing. Let me ask you something. Honestly, when you talk to a man you like, are you focused on how you feel or how he feels? Most people talk just to talk. They vent, they complain, they feel silence, they react emotionally, and then they're shocked when the man slowly pulls away. Here's something no one teaches women. Men may not talk about their emotions as much as women do, but they are deeply affected by them. A man will tolerate a lot until he feels emotionally drained. If your words make him feel like he's failing, like he's never enough, like he's always behind, he won't argue, he won't fight, he'll just emotionally check out. But if your words make him feel respected, capable, valued, he leans in. Not because you ask him to, not because you chased him, but because his nervous system feels safe with you. And here's the irony. Most women think attraction comes from doing more talking, more explaining, more effort, more proving. But attraction actually comes from less noise and more emotional precision. And that brings us to the real power, words. Words are not just words. Words are not harmless. They're not just sounds. Words stick. They echo, they replay in someone's mind long after the conversation ends. Think about it. You still remember things someone said to you years ago, a careless comment, a cruel sentence, or a kind word that made you feel seen. Men are no different. They just don't admit it out loud. A man remembers how a woman's words made him feel, strong or weak, valued or invisible, safe or tense. And the women who understand this, they don't talk more, they talk better. They don't nag, they don't lecture, they don't emotionally dump. They speak in a way that makes a man feel like being around them is easy. And that's rare, very rare, especially in a world where everyone is stressed, overwhelmed, and emotionally exhausted. So when a woman speaks in a way that feels calm, affirming, and grounded, a man feels drawn to her without even knowing why. And now we're getting close, because in the next part, I'm going to reveal the 3 words that trigger this reaction. 3 words that activate something deep in a man's psychology. 3 words that separate women men enjoy from women men emotionally attached to. But before I reveal them, we need to talk about one more thing. Confidence. Real confidence. Not the loud kind, not the fake kind, not the I don't need anyone kind that sounds impressive but feels exhausting. I'm talking about quiet confidence. The kind that doesn't demand attention but naturally attracts it. You've seen it before. A woman walks into a room, she's not trying to impress anyone, she's not scanning the room for approval, she's just grounded. And men feel it because confidence isn't about how you look. It's about how safe you feel in your own skin. Men don't fall for perfection, they fall for presence. They don't want someone who needs validation, they want someone who feels emotionally steady. And here's the secret most women miss. Your words reveal your confidence before your looks ever do. A woman can be beautiful, but if her words sound anxious, defensive, or needy, attraction fades. Meanwhile, another woman can say very little, but the way she speaks makes a man feel respected, capable, and appreciated. And that woman, she becomes unforgettable. Which brings us to the moment you've been waiting for. The 3 words that change everything. Here they are. No build-up, no mystery, just 3 simple words. I appreciate you. That's it. I know. Some of you just blinked at the screen and thought, that's it, really? That's not even flirty. And that reaction right there is exactly why it works. Because most women don't say it. They assume appreciation is obvious. They assume men already know. They assume saying it makes them look weak. But let me tell you something about men. They are starving for appreciation. Men are expected to be strong, to provide, to protect, to figure things out. And when they do, silence. No applause, no recognition, just more expectations. So when a woman looks at a man and genuinely says, I appreciate you, something shifts. Not on the surface, deep inside. Those words say, I see your effort, I value what you bring, you matter to me. And most men rarely hear that. Not from work, not from family, not even from past relationships. So when they hear it from you, you become different. And different is powerful. Why these words hit so deep? This isn't magic. This isn't manipulation. This is psychology. A man's sense of attraction is deeply tied to his sense of impact. He wants to feel like what he does matters, that his presence makes a difference, that he's not just there, but valued. When you say, I appreciate you, you activate that part of him. His brain connects you with comfort, validation, emotional safety. And the brain always wants to return to places that feel good. That's why he starts thinking about you. That's why he feels calmer around you. That's why he wants to invest more, not because you asked him to, but because it feels right. And here's something important. It only works if it's real. You can't say it casually. You can't throw it out like thanks. You have to mean it. Looking in the eye, slow down. Say it with warmth. I appreciate you. Not because you want something, not because you're trying to control him, but because you genuinely see him. Men can feel the difference instantly. Fake appreciation feels manipulative. Real appreciation feels rare, and rarity creates attraction. When and how to say it without ruining it. Timing matters. This isn't something you say every 5 minutes. You say it when he shows up, he listens, he puts in effort, he supports you, he remembers something small. It doesn't have to be dramatic. Sometimes the quiet moments are the most powerful. After a long day, after meaningful conversation, after he does something thoughtful, that's when you say it. And then you stop talking. This part's important. Don't explain it. Don't overtalk it. Don't add a paragraph. Just let it land. Silence gives the words weight. And trust me, he'll feel it. Why this makes men chase without games? Here's the irony. Women are taught to chase attention, but men chase emotion. They chase the feeling they get when they're with you. If a man feels appreciated around you, he wants more of that. Not because you're unavailable, not because you're distant, but because you make his world feel lighter. And once a man associates you with emotional ease, he doesn't want to lose you. That's when effort increases. That's when communication improves. That's when consistency appears. Not because you demanded it, but because you inspired it. And that's real attraction. Put this into action today. Let me give you a challenge. The next time you talk to a man you care about, pause, really listen, find one genuine thing to appreciate. Then say it, I appreciate you. And watch what happens. Watch his body language soften. Watch his energy shift. Watch how he leans in just a little more. That's not coincidence. That's emotional connection forming. Do this consistently, sincerely, and intentionally, and you'll notice something powerful. You're no longer chasing attention. People are drawn to you because appreciation is magnetic. And women who understand this, they don't beg, they don't compete, they don't overperform, they attract. People may forget what you said, they may forget what you did, but they will never forget how you made them feel. Choose your words wisely, because sometimes 3 simple words are all it takes to change everything. I appreciate you. If this opened your eyes, hit that like button, subscribe to Brainy Facts, and stay with me, because once you master this, your relationships will never be the same.